Hey guys, Mike here, and I wanted to talk about the K-Pro Iconic libraries because I started with three. I've got 13 now, so and they're all installed, as well as Epic Orchestra and a bunch of other libraries. So I made a song out of them, and let's go ahead and play that, and then I'll talk about it. So here's the song. Okay, so those were all sounds from the Iconic library. I didn't use my other sounds on that. Um, Pretty cool. I am controlling from the Oasis to the Kronos as usual. Plus, it allows me to play a couple different sounds. For that sequence, I played all those sounds. Um, I didn't step record them. I just did the stuff like this, and I just played it and stacked them up and made that. I have a bank of just the 13 iconic sounds, or libraries. So what I did was I put like the comedy orchestra here. I'm not sure how that worked in the song, but it broke it up, and I got to show a couple of those sounds. The solo strings, really amazing. And as the percussion, I've got soft strings 2 here. And when you buy one of these, they're like 29 bucks each. So that's why I bought so many. I was like, I got hooked. Um, some of them might have 4 programs, like the Woodwinds, Part 2 Woodwinds. But they're just small libraries. Let's see. Oh, what channel? I got to be on channel 1 on my Oasis. And they got the fast strings, which you heard. Got the Even though I have choir libraries, I like the sound of the women in this. And then just some weird stuff like the opera. Kind of cool. The woodwinds are great. Solo woodwinds, that was ensemble. Now I'm in this solo. The violin is really cool. The Oasis has a different aftertouch to it than the Kronos, so sometimes I have to come up here and do it. I was trying the hard. Yeah, get that. The cinematic brass. It has some nice crescendos in it. Now, I put all the libraries into one bank, my double C bank, and it did take a little doing because I don't use Tidy Kronos or any of the computer programs, so I just do it manually. That's the first slow strings. I have slow strings 1 and 2. All right, so let's go to global, and we look at KSC auto load. And here's where you can find out how many libraries you can load, and it tells you how many megs of RAM are free. You start off with like 2 gigs that you can kind of rearrange. So if I uncheck, let's see, only get 16 megs free, but if I uncheck Rock Ambience Drums, it subtracts that 49. Now I got 64 to work with. I could load something else. So, but I like those drums. So what I did uncheck was the brass woodwinds, because that uses a lot of streaming RAM. You know, see here's your virtual settings. So it only saves half, whereas some of these libraries that have like 541 megs only use 61 megs. Let me find a good one. This one, 588, only uses 23. So here are the iconic libraries starting from like 289 on, and they use very little RAM. That's what's so cool about them. So you can add a few without really affecting what's in your Kronos. Of course, I have a ton of stuff. So if I go to like a program, let's see, let me initialize this. And if I look at oscillator pitch, I can see what libraries are available to me. So I can go to, let's go to some of these. Fifth Element, Monumental Choir. So this is how I find out what sounds are in each thing. But as you see, I have so many libraries on here. So let me check this. Yeah, here they are. Let's start up. Maybe we should go backwards. So down. So yeah, a lot of libraries, and they're all ready to go. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the song, and talk to you guys later. Yep, the GoPro. We'll put it back. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.